The Alfa Romeo Giulia is a sleek and powerful luxury sedan that embodies the Italian automaker's rich heritage and passion for performance. Designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience, the Giulia combines stunning design, advanced technology, and exceptional handling. At the heart of the Giulia lies a range of powerful engines, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 280 horsepower and a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 delivering 505 horsepower in the high-performance quadrifoglio model. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless shifting and optimal performance. Inside, the Giulia's cabin is crafted with premium materials and attention to detail, featuring comfortable seating for 5, ample cargo space, and advanced amenities like heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. On the road, the Giulia's advanced suspension and precise steering deliver exceptional handling and responsiveness, making it a joy to drive on twisty roads or cruise down the highway. Advanced safety features like forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning provide added peace of mind. The Giulia's exterior design is unmistakably Italian, with sleek lines, sweeping curves, and a bold front grille bearing the iconic Alfa Romeo badge. LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a sport-tuned exhaust system complete the sedan's aggressive stance. With its impressive performance, stunning design, and luxurious amenities, the Alfa Romeo Giulia is an uncompromising driving machine that redefines the sports sedan experience. Standard features include keyless entry and push-button start, leather upholstery, 8.8-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, 14-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system, rear-view camera, park sensors. Optional features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, heated steering wheel, carbon fiber interior trim, sport-tuned suspension. The Alfa Romeo Giulia is available in various trim levels, including Giulia, Giulia Sport, Giulia T, Giulia Quadrifoglio. Each trim offers unique features and upgrades, allowing drivers to tailor their Giulia to suit their driving style and preferences. Overall, the Alfa Romeo Giulia is a masterpiece of Italian design and engineering, delivering an unparalleled driving experience that's sure to leave a lasting impression.